Hi guys, what's up? How are you? So, how to make tmux using alt tab? Okay, so first of all, of course, by default, your window manager and mine was also using alt as a modifier key for window manager stuff. Okay, so here I'm dragging window, here I'm resizing it, here I'm swapping windows, right? And for all of this stuff, I was using alt, okay? And it can be quite familiar, I mean, because we are used to from the childhood, okay, from Windows. Of course, if you are born after it was actually created. So yeah, so it's kind of familiar, but I noticed like on the work that I'm actually switching on tmux, right? So, and I'm using and I'm like really uncomfortable, okay? And I thought like it will be like, yeah, to be honest, I caught myself on the moment like when I pressed alt tab and it actually switched to my browser, but the thing that I wanted to switch to is my tmux another window, okay? Because I'm using like tmux and I'm like using one window for testing, another window for code editing. So yeah, so it's quite fun, but you actually can do it, okay? So again, as I said, so let's begin with yeah. Actually, so how I did it is actually begin with tmux. So basically, you search for tmux, you go to the main page, which is their GitHub, okay? And here is the getting started guide, and we will search for bint k. Yeah, and here is like the whole section, so you can read it and I say that you can read it. I mean, if you're interested, I think it will be interesting for you. Okay. So yeah, and the cool thing that they actually like say here, um, where is it? Don't see. Okay, I don't see it here, but actually tab is minus m. I don't see it here. I don't know why. Maybe I saw it somewhere else. So yeah, so actually for tab, wait, most keyboards, alt, meta. Yeah, here. So I don't know why it's here. Anyway, so yeah, so the meta key normally alt. Okay, so this one is saying that we basically can use alt. And I thought like about it, like, is it actually possible? Because I remember I was thinking about it in like several years ago, and yes, it is possible. And here is why. Okay, because if you're doing something in terminal, you can actually press alt and I don't know, arrow left. So terminal actually processes this alt. So alt button is actually very well processed. Okay, so that means that of course SSH and tmux and all other stuff and even vim can also process tab. So yeah, so it's completely possible. And here we say that m minus is alt. So coming back to binding, binding. So of course we don't want to press prefix and then alt tab, okay? We just want to press alt tab without prefix, okay? So but we don't like want to change prefix to alt, okay? We just want to add a new key binding alt tab and that's all. So actually here it also explains this. So the root table contains key bindings without prefix keys. So and to do it, they also say here -n flag is a shorthand for troot, so for not using tab. So that's all. So basically we do it something like this, or actually something like this. Anyway, so how we do it, let's check it out. So of course we are going tmux, and now we are saying, wait, do I actually, I don't have tmux.conf, right? Just wonder. So yeah, so we say like bint k -n because we don't want a prefix key. And now we just say m, which is alt, minus tab, and then the action. So the action, of course, is last window, okay? So to switch to last window, you were so to keep switching between two windows that you are working on. Up, and now I'll create some windows, so 3 windows, and now I'm pressing alt tab. Here, you see, I don't know like if you see, because like font is really small. Okay, it is the default simple terminal. It is a, it is a default simple. Oh my god, what am I? Okay, I didn't spoil anything, I hope. No, I don't see any bad stuff here. Okay, I see a little bit, but it is not actually bad. Simple or suck, okay, to suck less, suckless.org, okay? So we are going to suck less, okay? So yeah, simple terminal, okay? So yeah, so you actually download it using tar.gz, jz, okay? But it's very bad, so I created my repository. Um, I called it terminal, which is basically this terminal without any extra stuff. So, and here is default config. Of course, you can change it, but I use default and I didn't change. And here is like pixel size 12. Okay. So yeah, and I keep those. I mean, the less font is the better, because you actually can see more text, okay, in theory. And of course you can create, if you're using tmux, it is also cool because you create like windows, and they have more info because font is small. Okay, so yeah, so we did like alt tab, right? It's kind of cool. um, so I'm pressing alt tab, and yeah, you see. So this is like not, this is all for this video, right? But I will show you one more thing. And okay, here I'm spoiling something, right? No, don't think so. Yeah, so I wrote a little program. Uh, okay, I will show. Fuck. Memory. Fuck. Uh, okay, let's do quickly this. Okay, home, work, memory. I will not try to not spoil anything. Okay, I will have to go for Sue. So here's a little program I wrote. So basically, we using random number, we have an array of 100 numbers, and we randomly populate it with random numbers. And here is a cool thing, because I actually like create random index to put the next number. So I'm like putting zeros and one and to the 100, and I'm actually like using random to choose index to where to put it. And of course, if there is something, I will just pop up increase index until there will be something else, and of course index to not go to the bounds. So this is like really cool program, okay? And then of course I printed. um, okay, so I will copy it actually, right? And gcc memory.c a.out. Okay, and this is like what is this, by the way, guys? So what is this? Is like a game, okay? So of course you usually do it like this symmetrics, okay? You because you're cool. So what is this game about? So basically here's like a lot of numbers, like right, 100 numbers. So but of course like you understand that 0 is first, 1 is second, and basically what is the game about? It is not interactive game, by the way. So you just run it and that's all. And after that you just go by eyes and just like search 0, 1, and etc., and then for 100, okay? And why did I bother it? Because I don't have anything to do. But actually it is like quite cool. I had a site, I think, no, not here in my work browser, but yeah, basically it is stable yeah, maybe, yes, I think, yeah, Schultz table wiki. Okay, it's a fucking wow, 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 is it real that Wow, there is no English page for this. Oh my God. So anyways, that's cool, guys, right? Because if you're from not from SSSR, right, to SSSR, then you don't know it, right? So basically, so таблица со случайно, yeah, so it's for development fast finding, fast finding. It develops your peripheral vision, uh, and for example, it is good for fast reading books. So if you are like reading some text and you do it like on a daily basis, uh, anyway, so when I'm like waiting on my job something and I'm like looking at my PC and waiting for it, so usually like I have opened like I don't know my work stuff, okay? So let's imagine this is my work stuff. By the way, see metrics, go full screen. So imagine like I'm working, blah blah blah, but now I need to wait something and I just go bam 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 and I'm playing this game, okay? So I'm usually it's like very hard, okay? So usually you don't like go to 100 because you start to do something else, but it doesn't really matter. I was thinking about making it actually bigger, but I'm not sure it's a good idea. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. So we managed to did Alt Tab. Okay, I'm demonstrating it now. So Alt Tab and tmux. So I think it's very cool. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Have a great day. Bye.